Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. This video is quick update on my ROI calculator and some news for the hash rate. So 14.14 pentahash, it was just about 14.3 I believe. I've seen the went just a little bit higher. So anyways, we're hovering around that number, so it is getting up, and in about 2 weeks we're gonna have next reduction. And next reduction is gonna be 174.6 KASPA for block reward. So we're gonna be another 10 KASPA less getting on the block. So it's another 5.5 roughly percent reduction on our reward. So let's take a look at calculator. The rates are pretty much close on all the websites here, right? So we are roughly, yeah, so look, it was close to 14.26, almost 14.3 pentahash, and we are 14, yeah, so it's just all over the place right now. So it looks like a lot of miners being connected, KS3, KS3L. So, and I did got another KS3L, so now I am mining on 10.6 terahash. Yeah, it's terahash, so 10.6 terahash total, almost, because I'm getting a little less on KS0s. We'll see how my KS3L, second KS3L just arrived today, so we'll see how this one is doing. So, and take a look at ROI on my first KS3L is still 99 days. On the second one I got discount, so it's still 89, but it's 10 days less, so that's gonna help, I believe, a lot, just that price reduction here. But still so far away, it's over 3 months now. It's gonna get probably close to 4 months and so forth, so I'm not sure how we're gonna get there to ROI, but well, right now we're just gonna stack this KASPA here. So I'm gonna add the KS3L, the second one here, and that's where we're getting right now. So at the 5000 gigahash, 5 terahash, we're supposed to get 5600 KASPA, right? 5676 roughly. That's what we roughly getting. For the last day I got 5738, just the last 24 hours. Today is the August 23rd, about 7 p.m. and I got yesterday was 5973, so it was a little lower for some reason, but anyways, we're getting there because we switched to this HUMPOOL just a few days ago. And there's 3 sets of miners. I have 2 miner on each pool, K1POOL, KASPA-POOL, HUMPOOL, and that's for the first day. I'm not counting this day because the that was the switch day, so I gave the full 24 hours after this day, and the numbers all over the place. Still the K1POOL is the lowest. Have KASPA-POOL 218 KASPA for 2 miners, average 116, and HUMPOOL is 223. Wait, that's the wrong average. So this one 109, and this 106 average, and this one 111 per miner. So the HUMPOOL winner so far for my KS0. I have KS3L on HUMPOOL, so I'm not sure if this miner getting better rewards on HUMPOOL or on the KASPA-POOL. The second one is going to be set up on KASPA-POOL for now, for this week, so I can compare and finally make decision and kind of switch them to the pool I like to stay, because you don't want to keep on switching pools. You just want to get there and keep connected so you don't have any issues, right? So this is the pricing, still the same, nothing dropped or changed since yesterday. As for the pricing on ICERIVER.io site, I'm getting on my second KS3L, it just was connected about half an hour ago roughly, right? So we are at 4.35 terahash on my first miner. So I just start running, and I'm getting temperatures a little bit higher. I'm not sure what's going on there. They're next to each other, but the my second one is, look at this temperature, 3241, really nice. These guys getting 40, 60, something wrong. I got the same 90% here on oh, it's 100%, so I should probably set 100% on my fans here too. So let's try to do that. I don't know if that's gonna help by a lot, but let's see. Yeah, it may take a while to refresh. Yeah, I don't think 10% of the fan's gonna help to reduce the temperature. So anyways, that's where we are. So we're getting stable accepted shares for so far. Hopefully the hash rate gonna go higher. It's kind of hovering around 35. I may need to restart for the first time, just because I've changed the pools. Yeah, let's do just quick restart, and then we'll see how it goes. So yeah, that's quick update. Don't want to keep you for too long. All the 6 KS0s mining here on different pools. On K1POOL we got the 2 days reward. On KASPA-POOL just got the rewards payout. The last one was 218 like I showed you, and the on HUMPOOL we're getting 200 gigahash average, but my 48 average kind of dropped. So this site is still a winner for me. I'm getting a better result on HUMPOOL. I don't know why, but somebody mentioned this KASPA-POOL is better, but I guess here in my area I getting better connections for some reason than KASPA-POOL. Hopefully KS3L not gonna give me any issues. If it is, then I have to switch to HUMPOOL as well. And I did open separate wallets, so we're gonna be tracking separately ROI on these 2 KS3L machines. I just want to make sure, like, hey, we getting we compare them side to side, how they gonna ROI or not. Alright guys, that's it for today. This video, we pretty much we get into the higher pentahash. Hopefully we'll get in the next 2 weeks before hump next reduction, block reduction, gonna be to 175. So what's it's gonna look like? Let's put to 175 here just to see what it looks. And bam, if we just change with today hash rate, let's say that 2 weeks later it's still 14 pentahash, and the block reduction hit, we are getting a lot less, 5% less there, 5.5. And look at the KS3L, horrible. It's gonna be 5,300 KASPA instead of, so I'm gonna be mining 300 KASPA less. Of course it's gonna be even less than that, because we're probably gonna be about 20 pentahash. Oh gee, it's gonna be about 3,800 KASPA. I don't want to see these numbers. So it will change to the 5 months ROI. This is just insane. It's still better than my KS3Ls, because those gonna be like almost a year ROI. So they're getting close to like a just miners before, and now just miners just basically breaking even for the power. Those 10 just miners, I have that. Anyways, hopefully we get some price pop on the KASPA price. Right now it's sitting around 4 cents. It's hovering, it's pretty stable. I'm really surprised it, you know, it's not dumping up, but dumping down, but I'm afraid it may gonna come down a little bit when all these KS3Ls and KS3s connected. Everybody wants to sell that stuff. So anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. That's just quick update. I'll get you probably a next one in after 3 days by August 25th, and then maybe after full week, 7 days, another update if you want to see anything else. in this video. Just let me know on any other updates here, but that's where we are at right now at the around 14.3, and we're getting around 113 KASPA a day on KS0 and about 5600 KASPA for KS3L. That's about right for our yeah, same on the hash rate data now. So we're pretty accurate in our calculation, I guess. Thanks guys to watch, and see you in the next one. Bye.